Take a ride in the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, cruise control, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.